The atomic structure consists of a nucleus at the center of the atom, surrounded by shells, also known as energy levels, which contain the electrons. This is the nucleus, which contains protons, represented by the red circles, and neutrons, represented by the blue circles. These circles surrounding the nucleus are known as shells, which are also known as energy levels. These green circles represent electrons, which are found in the shells, and they orbit the nucleus at set distances. So there are three subatomic particles which make up the atom: protons, electrons, and neutrons. We're now going to compare their relative charge and relative mass. The relative charge of a proton is +1, an electron is -1, and a neutron is 0, or you can say neutral. Therefore, protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged, and neutrons are neutral, or you can say they have no charge. Because protons are positively charged and neutrons are neutral, this means the nucleus has an overall positive charge. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. The relative mass of a proton is 1. The relative mass of an electron is 1 over 1836. And because this is so small, we say an electron has a negligible mass. And then the relative mass of a neutron is 1. We can see the relative mass of a proton is 1, and the relative mass of a neutron is also 1. And look how small the mass of an electron is. It's just 1 over 1836. That is incredibly small. Therefore, the mass is concentrated in the nucleus, where it is very small and dense. Whereas in between the electrons is empty space. Now, we know shells are known as energy levels. The shell closest to the nucleus is the lowest energy level, and the shell furthest away from the nucleus is the highest energy level. These shells exist at set distances, where the electrons orbit around the nucleus. So to summarize the atomic structure, the nucleus is at the center of the atom. The shells surround the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are found in the nucleus, and electrons are found in the shells. It's question time. Attempt these questions to check your understanding. Pause the video here to practice the keywords. The answers will follow. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. If stuck, just rewatch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. And don't forget to visit KayScience.com for more videos, worksheets, and quizzes at KayScience.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.